Hello everyone, Luca here with our first unboxing video. Today we are opening NBA Monopoly Panini Prism 2023-24. The big card in this set is the purple Wenbanyama rookie card. We're also looking for parallels, Money Blast, and Millionaire Black inserts. Lots of other fun cards. Got the Giannis, Tatum. We got Luca there. We got Donovan Mitchell. Got Embiid. Got Curry. We got Jokic and KD. And we have a total of 24 cards each box. So that is 48 cards in these two boxes. So, all right, we got these two boxes to open. Let's start ripping. So here's our first pack. All right, let's do it. We got Steph. We got Taylor Hendricks, Cam Whitmore, and Devine Vassell. Got there for cards. No, we also want, I just want regular Wemby too. It would be nice if we got one of those. Really nice if we got one of those. So we got Nikola Vucevic, Drew Holiday, KD, and Koulibaly. All right, next pack. We got a purple. Kawhi, Damian Lillard, got Jaw, Wizards, same guy, Koulibaly. It's numbered? No. Still a pretty good card. All right, one more pack in this box. Oh, two more left. Three more, actually. Got Clay. Got Keontae George. Barry Smith. Wemby! Let's go! Gonna sleeve that. He had a great year this year. Didn't make it to the playoffs. maybe, just maybe defensive player of the year. I think he might be rookie of the year. But, wow. Wemby. Here's our first hit. See if we can get a... All right. See it. Got Ant, Mikal Bridges, Tatum, Spencer Dinwiddie, Hollow. Huh, no rookies in that. Alright, last pack of the box. Oh, we got another purple. Anthony Simmons, Desmond Bain, Donovan Mitchell, and Kevin Durant. It's pretty nice. Huh? Okay. All right. So, these were our two biggest hits of the box. So the Kevin Durant and the Wemby. These are really big hits. All right. Let's see if we can get another Wemby. Color Blast. Let's see if we can get something. Right. Got another purple. Got Embiid. Ooh, LeBron. Keegan Murray. Hornets. Rookie. Nick Smith Jr. Okay, it's okay. It's okay. It's okay. All right, let's see it. Let's see some heat. I have a feeling about this. Sorry. Got a Giannis. Kyrie. Jordan Hawkins. And Nick Smith Jr. It's okay. Okay. I have a feeling about this card for this pack. Got a nice Chet. Tatum, Anthony Black, and an Aaron Gordon. All right, I got 3 more packs, sorry. know I say this every time, but I have a big feeling about this one. Got Shea, Kobe Bufkin, Jet Howard, and Steph. It's okay. It's okay. Let's see the Heat here. Ooh. Got a Jaime Jaquez. It's pretty nice. Got a Luca. It's nice. Got a Zion and a LaMelo. I'm gonna sleeve this Jaime Jaquez. All right, last pack. Let's hope for some good stuff. Crossing our fingers. Let's cross our fingers. Please, 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 please. Ooh, we have a purple. Who do we get? Purple wenbanyama. Purple wenbanyama. Jimmy. Anthony Davis. Sabonis. And Chet. It's alright. It's nice. It's nice. Alright. Thank you for watching. That's the end of our video. Hopefully, we'll have more videos coming soon. And then the biggest hits of the 2 boxes were this Chet, a Jaime Jaquez, the Durant, and the Victor Wembanyama. Alright. Thanks for watching. See you again. Thank you for watching. See ya.